Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Ticketmaster mobile entry tickets step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Ticketmaster app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, you can also go to the Ticketmaster website using your browser. Log in to your Ticketmaster account with your email and password. Once you're logged in, tap on the My Events tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all your upcoming events. Select the event you're attending. This will open your event page showing all your purchased tickets. Tap on View Ticket. This will display your barcode or QR code on the screen. When you arrive at the venue, simply show this barcode to the staff at the gate. They'll scan it directly from your phone and you'll be good to go. And that's it. That's how to use your Ticketmaster mobile entry tickets. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.